to be fucking and she ate my pussy. That's what it is. So she's so mad. Damn, my edge is really fucked up. She's so mad because she ate my pussy. That's what it is.
And the other one better not even play with me because I'm ready to expose that ass and what happened to her, because the bitches who did something to her didn't even go to the internet. They came to me. I got pictures of that chain. Where that chain at? Yeah, where that chain at? That's why y'all sticking together, because y'all ain't got no chains. Fuck wrong with you. Let her look.
If I run into something, I have to get out quick. I don't want you all jammed up behind me, get me killed. I'll take one, not you either. You got Merle's gun and
I'm the GOAT for sure.
I feel better if you're out in that store watching those doors covered.
I know them bitches who took that shit. Yeah, I know. I got the videos. Don't play with me.
Jackie stays here. Something happens, yell down to us, get us back up here in a hurry, okay?
Okay. Everybody knows their jobs.
I ain't beefing with nobody. I don't know what y'all talking about. I don't know what y'all talking about. I ain't beefing with nobody. I don't got no beef. That wasn't me in that video. That was not me. Stop doing that. Every time Vaughn go live, y'all get on his live like, we're Asian, we're Asian. I get on live, y'all, we're Vaughn, we're Vaughn. How I talk? Bro, stop saying I talk like Vaughn. I don't talk like Vaughn, I don't act like Vaughn, I don't rap like Vaughn. I don't talk like Vaughn. Say time I met a nigga Vaughn. Hey, how y'all gonna let him talk about me on live? Somebody just told me. He said, Asian bought me these shoes, I'm finna go step in dog shit. Nah, something wrong with that nigga, bro. They talking about she's talking about that's not a compliment. Shut your lame ass up.
Take the safety off. Shoot otherwise.
Bro, we not twins. That's my son. I don't act like him, bro. Stop saying that shit. I don't act like him. I don't rap like him. I rap like me. No, leave me alone.
Hello? Anybody read? I'm hoping to hear somebody's voice because I'm getting sick and tired of hearing.
Bro, I'm not beefing with nobody.
Won't you knock that crap off? Give me a headache.
Come on, you gotta just admit. No, I'm not admitting nothing, never.
Your head out your ass, maybe your headache will go away. Got some positivity for a change there. I tell you what. You get me in these cuffs, and I'll be all Summer Sunshine positive for you. Hey, see a hacksaw there?
Y'all bitches better tighten up. Y'all better stop letting people niggas talk about me. Nah, bitches, fuck all that. Y'all better stop letting niggas talk about me. How y'all not gonna tell me he said he finna go step in dog shit?
Call me nigga some more. Now it wasn't personal. It's just that your kind and my kind ain't meant to mix. It's all.
I'm high. I don't smoke no more. I ain't smoking in a long time.
There's some kind of mutual gang involved. So,
You beefing if you was doing them made it to the internet. Shut your lame ass up, bitch. I said I ain't beefing. If I say I ain't beefing, I ain't beefing. Shut up. I ain't beefing with nobody. I don't got no ops. Bitch, cause my voice gone, you look like a man, big forehead ass girl. I can't even. On my mama, I ain't even. Oh God, bro, I ain't even looking close to the phone. I just see your fat ass forehead, big forehead ass. I'll fire your flat screen TV forehead ass up.